Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Nah.
What's your name?
My name is MD Kaifalun. You can call me Kaif.
How are you, Kaif?
Yes.
How are you?
I am bright and shiny. Thank you, Nancy. What about you?
I am also bright and shiny. So now I am going to say some English word. You have to translate those words into Bengali. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, bolo. Patient,
Rogi.
soil,
Swanmitika.
salary,
Beton.
feminine,
Silingo.
shop,
Shaban.
guest,
Guest Otiti.
mountain,
Korbot.
fog,
Fog Kuasha.
lake,
Road.
creek,
Shoptao.
roof,
Chat.
shop,
Dokan.
television,
Doordarshan.
pupil,
Chatro.
flower,
Noida.
desert,
Morubhumi.
forest,
Bone.
mason,
Semua.
rhino,
Bonna.
climate,
জলবায়ু
Dale kocho.
storm,
ঝড়
income,
ইনকাম আয়
boats,
কোর্স মালপত্র
purity.
পবিত্রতা
Good. Good job. Well done. So, thank you very much.